It appears that Huawei is gearing up to unveil its next flagship smartphone, the Huawei Pura 80. And guess who's already testing it? Bruce Lee, the Chief Technology Officer of Huawei's Consumer Business Group. Yes, he's been seen flaunting a brand new unannounced handset on social media. And that mystery device is almost certainly the upcoming Pura 80. So, why is this significant? Well, senior Huawei executives like Bruce Lee typically get early access to prototype smartphones. And they rarely keep it a secret. They tend to tease updates, switch phones publicly on social platforms, or drop subtle leaks, all well before the official unveiling. This is usually Huawei's tried-and-true strategy to generate buzz and build anticipation ahead of launch. So, what details do we have so far about the Huawei Pura? First off, let's address the release timeline. While Huawei hasn't confirmed anything officially, industry insiders predict that the Pura 80 might debut as early as June. That would align with Huawei's usual launch cycle, as the brand traditionally introduces its P-series devices in the first half of the year. Just last year, they launched the Pura 70 series in April. And in case you missed it, Huawei recently rebranded its iconic P-series into the refreshed Pura lineup. The first wave under this new identity was the Pura 70 models. So, the Pura 80 will represent the second generation with this updated branding. Now, here's why the Pura 80 release is seeing a slight delay this round. It's not due to manufacturing constraints or supply chain setbacks. Rather, it's because Huawei has been busy rolling out a string of other high-profile products. Back in March, the brand launched the Huawei Pura X, a distinctive foldable phone featuring a cinematic 16:10 widescreen panel. And there's more. Just last month, they introduced a fully foldable laptop known as the MateBook Fold Ultimate design. That same event also debuted the Nova 14 series, another significant release. As you can tell, Huawei's calendar has been jam-packed. That's why the Pura 80 is being reserved for a dedicated spotlight. Instead of being crowded by other unveilings, Huawei seems to be planning a standalone launch event to give it the full attention it deserves. Let's explore the exciting features and leaked specifications of the Pura. Reports indicate that the Pura 80 will sport an upgraded imaging system. The primary sensor is expected to be a 50MP SmartSense camera paired with a 50MP telephoto unit boasting a large 1.3-inch sensor. Even more intriguing, both lenses are said to utilize an RYYB color filter instead of the conventional RGB. Why is that important? Because RYYB filters lend more light, enhancing low-light photography. So, whether you're snapping shots in daylight or darkness, expect superior image quality. Another standout is the screen. The flagship model of the Pura 80 is rumored to feature a high-resolution micro-curved display with immersive edge visuals. This means the screen will taper slightly at the sides, providing a sleek aesthetic and comfortable grip. We even got a sneak preview recently when Huawei's Consumer Business Group CEO He Gang, accidentally or perhaps intentionally, revealed a prototype device. The handset showcased a large camera module on the rear, but the overall silhouette resembled the Pura 70. So while the camera might evolve, the core design language could remain consistent. Also remember, the Pura series isn't only about hardware. These smartphones run Huawei's HarmonyOS, which continues to improve with every iteration. Users can anticipate seamless performance, enhanced AI capabilities, and strong ecosystem integration across Huawei's platforms. And while complete specs are still under wraps,